Dear children, welcome grade 7. This is our Hindi 3L video. You know that our periodic assessment 2 is coming soon. You know that the date 25th I think. This is for your revision video. This is very useful for our exam. In a pattern, I hope you all received your pattern, portion pattern. So in this, whatever in our pattern, exam pattern, for in Sabdard, meaning in English of the opposite, रिक्त स्थान भरिए, fill in the blanks, सही या गलत, true or false. The fifth Roman is गिनती, number names, and sixth Roman is अनुवाद, अभ्यास, translation, and seventh one is prashanottar, answer the following. These all topics from our lesson, our exam portion lesson 4 and 5. Do you remember that our exam portion? What? That 4 and 5th lesson. The 4th lesson is Raksha Bandhan. That is in Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival. And 5th lesson is a Patra Lekhan. How to write a letter, formal letter and informal letter. So and one more portion is number. If from these two lessons we have to revise in this video. What are the pattern for our exam? So these all are we are going to discuss and learn from this in this video. Now let's start. The first Roman is what? Sabdard. That is meaning in English. Already we wrote in our classwork note also. So these two lessons, that Raksha Bandhan and Patra Lekhan, more than 40 meanings, I think 40 or 50 meanings. This is very, very useful for your vocabulary. So you read all the meanings for exam. From these meanings, they will given only 10 or 15 meanings for your exam. So you read all the meanings from two lessons, the more than 40 meanings. You should read thoroughly. Then only you know the meaning of in Hindi words. You learn more vocabularies for in Hindi. Is it no? So now you listen the first one. Parva. First one is, first Roman is Sabdard. That is in meaning in English. My dear children, this method, this pattern is the exam paper also. They will be given the same pattern. So you listen very carefully and read thoroughly. The first Roman is Sabdard. Sabdard means meaning in English. You see that first one, Parva. Parva means what? Festival. Already we discussed more in an online class and in a classwork also. So once again, this is recall for your revision for your periodic assessment too. Parva, festival. Prachin Kal, ancient period. Akraman, attack. Sajdaj, decorate. Daga, thread. Yuddha, war. Purnamasi, that means full moon. Upajao, fertile. Bujari, cooked food. Swadista, tasty food. Ma bujari is cooked vegetable also is there. I think not a cooked food. That is cooked vegetables. You see that cooked vegetable, not a cooked food. That is cooked vegetable. Swadista, tasty food. Now once again I recall the same. Parva, festival. Prachin Kal, ancient period. Akraman, attack. Sajdaj, decorate. Daha, thread. Yuddha, war. Purnamasi, full moon. Upujao, fertile. Bujari, cooked vegetable. Swadista, tasty food. Dear children, in our book some in a little some less than meanings are there, but in this video and in a classwork also we will give a more meanings and more than 20 meanings. And you see the next screen, 11th one, Manaya. Manaya means to celebrate. ये पर्वों का मनाया है. Which one? The Raksha Bandhan पर्व मनाया जाता है. तलवारें, swords. कलाई, wrist. बाधक, obstacle. रक्षा, protection. जौ, barley. That is one cereals. पवित्र, holy. उपहार gift, pakwan food, avasar moment. Once again I recall the same one. Manaya to celebrate, talware swords, kalai wrist, badak obstacle, raksha protection, jau barley, pavitra holy, upahar gift, pakwan food, avasar moment. And next one, that is Vivasayik Patra. And you see that Vivasayik Patra, this meanings from the lesson, 5th lesson, what? Patra Lekhan. The heading is Vivasayik Patra, you know, do you remember that? In online class, the same lesson, 5th lesson, Vivasayik Patra, that is business letter. Preshak, sender, that is from address. Seva में receiver, to address. Sanchalak Mahodaya, that means director sir. Adarniya, respected. Suchi Patra, catalog sheet. Chunav, select or elect, then one more meaning is choose. Krupaya, please. Dwara, there is two meanings. First one is through and another one is by. Bej, send. Once again, my dear children, however in online class I told you all the meanings right in our book also. Those who are not completed, this is very useful for writing that meanings in your book. Is it clear? So you to write a meaning. Those who are not complete, that person you write. Once again, Vivasayik Patra, business letter. Preshak, sender or from address. Seva में receiver or to address. Excuse me. Sanchalak Mahodaya, director sir. Adarniya, respected. Suchi Patra, catalog sheet. You see here in a single letter meanings, that is Patra means letter. But here you see Suchi Patra, that means catalog sheet. So the Patra also there is different meanings, whatever the place is confirmed. Then Chunav, Chunav means select or elect, or another meaning is choose. Krupaya, Krupaya means please. Dwara, through or by. Bej, send. And you see the next one, Samay, Samay ka arth, what that means? Samay means time. Achi tarag, properly. My here number, now you see that Samay, time. Achi tarag, properly. Barsat, Barsat means rain, rainy season, Varsha Kritu, like that. Karab, damage. Hazar, 1000. Rupaye, money. Sallangan, attach or enclosed. Hare, green color. Peele, yellow color. Safed, white. Neele, blue. Rang means color. Ke saath, with. Sir, dhanyavad, kind regards. Aapka, yours. Moreover, how many meanings from these two lessons? 45 meanings. So you read all the meanings very simply. So you learn very easily. Once again the same. Samay, time. Achi tarak, properly. Barsat, rain. Kharab, damage. Hazar, 1000. Rupaye, money or rupees. Sallangan, attach. Hare, green. Hara also the green. Hare, Pile. Not only this, Hara, Pila, Safed, Neela, like that. Hare, green. Pile, yellow. Safed, white. Neele, blue. Rang means color. So these all are Hare rang, Pile rang, Safed rang. So these all are green color, white color, blue color. Ke saath, that means with. Sir, dhanyavad, kind regards. Aapka, yours. So 45 meanings from these two lessons. Now we shall we move to second Roman, ulte shabd, that means opposite. In our question paper also the second Roman is ulte shabd. Some English meaning also they will not given, so you don't worry about that. Ulte shabd means that is what? Opposite in a ulta, அதுக்கு opposite word. Apna paraya, what is that meaning? Apna paraya, myself and yourself. Varsha kritu, grishma kritu, rainy season, summer season. Yuddha shant, yuddha means war, shant means peace. Sabere morning, sam evening. Fodna Jodna. Fodna means to broke. Jodna means to collect, to join. Prem, love. Nafrat, hate. Mangal, amangal. Mangal, goodness. Amangal, badness. Vijay, victory. Parajay, loser. Winner, loser. Bandhna, that means to tie up. Kholna, to release or to remove. Zyada, more. Come, less. Once again I say the same opposites and meaning also. The second Roman is ulte shabd, apna paraya, that means apna means myself, paraya means yourself. Varsha kritu, grishma kritu. Varsha kritu means rainy season, grishma kritu means what? Summer season. Yuddha shant, yuddha means war, shant means peace. Sabere sham, sabere means morning, sham evening. Fodna jodna, that is broked, to broke, jodna to join. Prem love, nafrat hate. Mangal goodness, amangal badness. Vijay victory, winner. Parajay loser. Bandhna to tie up. Kholna to release or to remove. Zyada more, come less. Next Roman is third one. Dear children, again and again I tell the same thing. The pattern wise this revision video for you, so you listen very carefully and learn from this. The third Roman is Riktisthan Bharye, that means fill in the blanks. We have only one lessons fill-ups only from our book. In Patra Lekhan is not that. From the fifth lesson the fill-ups is not there. Only one lesson it have. That fourth lesson. Riktisthan Bharye, fill in the blanks. Bharat Parvon ka desh hai. Already I told these meanings. Once again I tell you. India is the festival of country. India is country of festival. भारत पर्वों का देश है. पर्वों का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning? पर्वों फेस्टिवल. हिंदू ही नहीं, मुसलमान भी राखी का त्योहार मनाते हैं. Not only Hindu people, Muslim peoples also celebrate this festival. Which one? That is Raksha Bandhan. So the fill-ups answer, you see on the screen that the black and underlined words there, that is a fill-ups. The first one is Parvo, the second one is Musalman, and third one Raksha Bandhan वास्तव में भाई बहन का त्योहार है. That is Raksha Bandhan वास्तव में, the Raksha Bandhan festivals are really the festival of brothers and sisters festival. बहन पूजा की थाली सजाती है. Sisters are decorate that puja's plate. थाली means plate. रक्षा बंधन में स्वादिष्ट पकवान बनाए जाते हैं. On the day, Raksha Bandhan day, they celebrate they prepared a tasty food. Now you understood these 5, and next one you see that fourth Roman, Sahi ya Galat, that is true or false. My children, Some students are written in true, false, like in a exam, write in a exam. So you don't write like that. You write in a Hindi words. Sahi ya galat. You no one should don't write true or false in Hindi. Those who are writing, I will strike out that answer. So you keep it in a mind. How to write sahi or galat. The first one you see, हमारे देश में तरह तरह का त्योहार मनाया जाता है. In our country they celebrated so many different kinds of festival. That is true or sorry, this is sahi or galat. Sahi, because our India different type of peoples are living, different languages spoken peoples are living here. So like that, or in this way, different kinds of festival also celebrated in our country. So this this sentence is sahi, this is true. And second one, amavas ke din. Amavas means, you know, our parents are also told amavasai paurnami, that is amavasai. Amavas means new moon day, and purnima is full moon day. Do you clear now? Sorry, are you clear now? Amavas means new moon day. अमावास के दिन पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते थे. The people saw take a fertile mud from that which day? New moon day. This sentence is right or wrong? Wrong. यह वाक्य गलत है. Because पूर्णिमा के दिन में पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते थे, पर यहाँ अमावास के दिन पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते थे, इसलिए यह वाक्य गलत है. The new moon day, the peoples are bring fertile mud on new moon day. That is wrong, because they bring fertile mud which day? New moon day. So this sentence is wrong, galat. And third one, केवल हिंदू लोग ही रक्षाबंधन मनाते हैं. The one and only the Hindu people celebrated this festival. It is correct or wrong? Wrong, because Muslims also celebrated this Raksha Bandhan. So यह वाक्य गलत. केवल हिंदू लोग ही रक्षा बंधन मनाते हैं, that is गलत. And fourth one, सचमुच रक्षा बंधन खुशी और पवित्र प्रेम का त्योहार है. Really the Raksha Bandhan is festival of love and what? Pure, holy festival. So it is right or wrong? Sahi. This is Sahi. And next Roman, the fifth one is the fifth Roman is in our pattern Ginti. The fifth Roman is Ginti ma, but in the end of this video I will teach that Ginti numbers in number names 1 to 5. I will teach from this in this last video, the end of this video. Now you listen, the next Roman is sixth Roman. Once again I tell you, the fifth Roman is Ginti number names. We will see in end of this video. Now we will discuss about the Anuvad Abhyas, that means translation. Dear children, in our book is not, this portion is not there. This is our own creative writing. Anuvad Abhyas, that is translate into English. सूरज प्रकाश कहलाता है. The sun emits the light. सूरज क्या कहलाता है? प्रकाश फैलाता. कहलाता is not that. That is फैलाता. The sun spread that what? Sunshine. फैलाता. But here is some mistake. कहलाता is not that ma. फैलाता. Dear children, you see that some printing mistake is there. सूरज प्रकाश फैलाता. It is not a कहलाता, that is फैलाता. फैलाता means to spread. The sun emits the light. Second one, तारे जिल मिलते थे. That means जिल मिलते हैं. That is the stars twinkle. And third one, फूल महकते हैं. The flowers give fragrance. Fourth one, नदी बहती है. The river flows. And fifth one, Chand chamkata hai, the moon shines. And next one, Badal barsata hai, clouds give us rain. Seventh one, Jarne jarte hain, waterfalls are cascading. Ladka pani peeta hai, boy drinks water. Kutta roti खाता है, dog eats bread. गाय दूध देती है, cow gives milk. Once again, बादल बरसाता है, clouds give us rain. झरने झरते हैं, waterfalls are cascading. लड़का पानी पीता है, boy drinks water. कुत्ता रोटी खाता है, dog eats bread. 10th one, गाय दूध देती है, cow gives milk. And the next Roman is last one, Prashanottar. Answer the following question. Dear children, only one lesson we have a question and answers from that lesson, Raksha Bandhan. Fifth lesson is not there question and answers. So this is very easy for you. Raksha Bandhan lessons 4 question and answers. How many question and answers from our book? Can you guess that? Only 4 question and answers. So you read thoroughly. रक्षा बंधन का त्योहार कब मनाया जाता है? When is रक्षा बंधन festival celebrated? When श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा के दिन रक्षाबंधन मनाया जाता है. On full moon day, श्रावण मास in Tamil month, Avani Madam, the last month. You know the Tamil Madangal, Chittirai Vaigasi Aniyadi, like that. Avani Madam. Shravan Mas means Avani Madathil Varakuriya Purnima, Paurnami day aniki, which is a festival celebrated Raksha Bandhan. रक्षा बंधन का त्योहार कब मनाया जाता है? When is रक्षा बंधन festival celebrated? When? In श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा के दिन. On श्रावण मास full moon day, that festival we have to celebrate. And next one, बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या बांधती है? On the day, what does brother बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या बांधती है? What does the बहन sisters tie up her sister brother's wrist? बहन भाई के हाथों में रक्षा सूत्र बांधती है. On the day, the sisters tie up one thread that is called Rakhi, Raksha Bandhan. For whom? That is her brother's wrist. बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या बांधती है? बहन भाई के हाथों में रक्षा सूत्र बांधती है. You see the question and answers very simple. That is question word is first one, kab. Kab means when. You remove that kab words. Shravan ki Purnima ke din. And a remaining answer from that question. And second one, you see the question word is kya. You remove that kya. And after that what you have to write? Raksha Sutra. And other answers are from that question. बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या के बदले हम क्या लिखना चाहिए? रक्षा सूत्र बांधती है. And third question, you see that भाई बहन के लिए क्या देता है? What does brother give to sister? भाई बहन के लिए उपहार, that is gift, इनाम. भाई बहन के लिए उपहार देता है. You see this question also. The question word is क्या. भाई बहन के लिए क्या देता है? क्या. You remove the क्या word. And what we have to write for that? उपहार. उपहार means gift. Excuse me. भाई बहन के लिए उपहार देता है. And fourth one, रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको क्या खिलाते थे? What do we give on रक्षाबंधन to everyone? रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको मिठाई खिलाते हैं. On the day we will give sweet to everyone, all the person. Once again, भाई बहन के लिए क्या देता है? भाई बहन के लिए उपहार देता है. फोर्थ वन, रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको क्या खिलाते हैं? रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको मिठाई खिलाते हैं. Already I told that one Roman is missing, no, that is numbers, number names. Now hereafter we will discuss about that numbers. You see on the screen, children, the fifth Roman is number names. Already you all written in a classwork note. You read thoroughly. This is very easy to learn. Thus 10, B is 20, T is 30. So this one you keep it in your mind. This is very useful to writing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11 to 18. The ending sound is rakh. What is that? Rakh, rakh. 11, 12, 13. This is short method. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Now you clear. So 1 to 10 you know very well, and 11 to 20 how to keep it in our mind. That is rakh sound. Ending sound is rakh. 11, 12, 13, like this, or you read correct formation. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, and after 21, 21, 22, 12, 22, 11 to 18 the ending sound is rakh. 21 to 21 to 29 the ending sound is like that. So this is very useful. Compare that numbers, how to read that sound, then you read very easy way. 21, 22, 12th one is barakh, 22 is 22, 13, 13, 23, 24, 24, 14, 14 is akh, 24 bees is sound. That is sound, ending sound. You keep it in a mind, very easy for reading this number. 24, 25, and next one you see 27, 27, 28, 28. There 18 is atarakh, here atais. Compare the two numbers and read. 29, untis. There is 19 is unnis, here untis. 30, tis. And iktis, battis. There is 21, ikis, bais, teis. Here ending sound tis is there. Is it clear? Iktis, battis, taintis, chauntis, paintis, chattis, saintis, adtis, untalis, chalis. From 41 to 50, that is lease. From 31 to 40, tis. 21 to 30, bees. These all you keep it in your mind, then only you learn very easily numbers. Understand? 41, iktalis. 42, bayalis. 43, taintalis. 44, chauntalis. 45, paintalis. 46, chialis. 47, saintalis. 48, adtalis. 49, unchas. and 50 50. Again and again I told you, keep it in your mind. How to you remember that numbers 1 to 10 ek do teen, you know very well. 11 to 20, that ending sound is rakh, 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 gyarak, barak, terak, chaudak, like that. And 21 to 30, that is ending sound is, ikis, bais, teis, chaubis, like that. And 30 is 30. First what we have to do, 10 10, 20 20, 30 30, 40 40, 50 50. So you read first these numbers 10 20 30, 10's number you read, then only you know the others name. All are very easy to understand. And 30 31 to 40, tees ending sound. 41 to 50, that is lees sound. Now is it clear? So dear children, I hope you all listen very carefully, you understood this. All the best, you write your exam very well. Thank you. Dhanyavad.